Actually, we have two updates to the social side. The first is to the social planner. So now you can respond to the comments inside the social planner. Currently, it's only supporting Facebook, but they will be rolling out with the other platforms as well. So similar to Meta Business Suite, where you can manage your inbox for Facebook and Instagram, and then manage your comments for Facebook and Instagram, you'll be able to do the same inside HighLevel now. So you'll have to open the social planner, navigate to comments, select a specific post, and then view comments in the new comments tab. Here's an example, and then you can reply directly to engage with your audience. So you can see all comments, top comments with the most engagement, but currently it's only supporting Facebook comments, as I mentioned. So new platforms are coming out soon. Again, a new feature inside the Socialpreneur is now Meta Threads is added as an integration. So you can connect it and then start posting and then look at your analytics inside HighLevel. You'll have to connect it using your Instagram login, and then you can start creating posts, scheduling posts, or save posts as drafts or publish instantly, so similar to the other platforms. So let me go back again to my sub account and then go to marketing, and I'm under social planner, and now you'll see Threads is now available in social planner. You can connect to Threads. It's going to create a pop-up, and then you'll have to enter your login. So you need to allow all cookies and then connect it to Threads. I'm actually curious if you are already using Threads for your marketing. I haven't signed up yet, so I'm curious to hear your experiences with the platform. But now you can use it inside HighLevel as well. Alright, that's all for today. But if you have any more questions regarding meta ads or high-level strategies, just let me know, comment down below the video, and I'll make sure to respond to them. Otherwise, in the description, you are going to find two links. The first is going to be my free Skool community. Currently, we have over 360 members, and it's the perfect place if you are just starting on your journey with meta ads on HighLevel, and it's completely free. So you are welcome to join. It's a great community. And if you are looking for something more, there's a 14-day free trial to HighLevel, and it's also going to give you a free access to my paid community, which is currently $47 per month. So you can grab the free trial using the link in my description, and then I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video.